Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, I will be writing a Python program to generate the Fibonacci series of ungiven number. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video link with your friends and family members, share the video link in various social networks which you are going to use, gain the knowledge and rule the world. Happy learning. So first, I will be opening an Python interpreter. In this particular video, I will be writing an Python program to generate the Fibonacci series for the given number. Fibonacci series for an given number. I will be generating an Fibonacci series for a given number. So this is a new file which I have created. So first, I will write the program name as a comment hash Python program to generate the Fibonacci series for a given number. Fibonacci series for a given number. And what is an Fibonacci series? I will write here as a comment. So the Fibonacci series will be, so first number will be 0, next it will be 1, the next the sum of these, so that means 0 plus 1 will be 1, next the sum of previous to 1 plus 1 will be 2, next again the sum of previous to, that is 2 plus 1 will be 3, then sum of previous, that is 3 plus 2 will be 5, then next again 5 plus 3 in the sense 8, then 8 plus 5 it will be 13, then 13 plus 8 it will be 21, like that, etc. So just it will be calculating the sum of the previous two numbers, and the first number and the last number will be 0. First number and the second number will be 0, 1 respectively. Now I'll write the program. So first we need to read the number. So I'll write n space equal to int, open the bracket, input, open the bracket, within a single quotes, enter a number, space, single quotes, close, bracket close, press enter. So after this, I will initialize the value of first, that is the first number, equal to 0, then second equal to 1. As I told, the first number in a Fibonacci series will be 0 and second number will be 1. Then first we have to check if space n space equal to 1. That means if the value has entered the value of n as 1, then what you have to display? You have to display print 1. Close the bracket. Even if you want, you can write here before writing the condition, you can write a display statement print, open bracket, within a double quotes, Fibonacci series of double quotes close, comma, n, comma, within a double quotes, n numbers, double quotes close, n numbers is, then double quotes close, after that close the bracket. Fibonacci series of n numbers is, Fibonacci series of in the double quotes, comma n, comma, again in the double quotes, numbers is. Then we can generate that one. So first, if n equal to 1, print what? It should be 0. That is the first number is 0. Okay. Then now you are in the if loop. To come out of the if loop, just press backspace. Then here you write L if, means if n value is not equal to 0, if it is equal to 2, colon, press enter. Now you are in the elif loop. Print, so you can write 0, that is the first number. Enter. Print 1, that means it will display 0 1, two numbers. Press enter, press backspace. Now you are outside the elif loop. Else, that means if the user has entered equal to 3 or greater than 3, then colon. Here you need to consider the loop. Okay, else loop. In the else part, so first you display the first two numbers 0 and 1. So print 0, then in the next line print 1, close the bracket, press enter. Now you consider the loop while. So you need to consider a looping variable, right? For how many number of times the loop has to be iterated. For that purpose, first you take that one. So initialize I equal to 3, because 0 1 are the first two numbers. So next will be a third number. So we start with the third number, I equal to 3, then while space I space less than equal to n, the value which we have read, colon. If this condition is true, we enter inside the while loop. Then here, so calculate the third number, that is third space equal to first plus second. Press enter. Now display the third number, that means print, you write third, close the bracket, press enter. Now after this, the previous two numbers has to be interchanged. For that purpose you need to write first equal to second and second equal to third. Okay, press the enter. So after this you need to decrement the value of I. For that purpose you need to write, so you need to increment the value, not decrement. For that purpose you have to write I space equal to I plus 1, and then press the enter, and then press the backspace. Now you are outside the while loop. Again you press the backspace, you are outside the else loop. Now we shall save the program by using Ctrl S option. So I will save the program as FIBO, that is Fibonacci series. Click on save button. The program is saved. Now run the program. To run the program, the shortcut key is F5. So now press the value as 1. That means what it will do? It will just display 0. Next, to get another one output, come to the script mode by pressing Alt Tab, and again press F5. Now you enter the number as 2. So it will be generating two numbers, that is 0 1. That will be a Fibonacci series. Okay. The next command, again come to the script mode by pressing Alt Tab. Now I want to generate 5 numbers. That means 0 1 1 2 3. So these are the 5 numbers. That means I have to give the n value as 5. So if I give the n value as 5, means again run, press 5. Okay, press 5, you will get the value. So that is 0 1 1 2 3. So these are the 5 numbers. How we get this particular output, I will explain you. So here I am considering the n value as 5. Okay, so these are the initialized values, that is first equal to 0 and second equal to 1. So first it will check the condition, n equal to 1, no. If n equal to 2, no, that means it will come to else part. Else print 0 print 1, that means it will be printing 0 1, these two values. Alright, so after printing these two values, okay, then next what it will do, right? So after printing these two 0 1, it will come here I equal to 3. That means the I value will be equal to 3. Then we have written this one, while I is less than or equal to n, and then we have written the loop. So I'll just copy that one and I'll paste that one for the purpose of explanation. So I value is 3, and what is the value of n? It is 5. So 3 less than or equal to 5, condition becomes 2. Third equals to first plus second. What is the value of first? 0, and second is 1. That means 0 here, third value equal to 0 plus 1. That means what? It will be equal to 1. That means the third value will be 1. Print third. That means it will print the value as 1. Next, first equal to second. That means now this value, what is that second value? 1. So now first will be 1. Then second equal to third. That means what? Now the third value is 1. So now the second value will be 1. Next, I equal to I plus 1. So I value was 3. 3 plus 1, right? So I value as 3. It was 3, right? So 3 plus 1 equal to, now it will be 4. Then again I'll copy this particular loop. Okay, again I will paste it for the purpose of explanation. Okay, so here it is. So now the value of I is 4. 4 is less than or equal to 5, as condition becomes true. Third equal to first plus second. So what is the value of first? It is 1, and second is 1. That means here 1 plus 1. That means it will be equal to 2. Next, print third. That means it will print the value as 2. This one. Then first equal to second. So what is the value of second? 1. Then second equal to third. What is the value of third? 2. That means second will be equal to 2. Then I equal to I plus 1. What is the value of I? 4. So that means 4 plus 1. Now it will be equal to 5. So again I will consider the same loop. Now the value of I is what? 5. So here again it checks the condition, this one. While 5 is less than or equal to 5, condition becomes 2. That is I is less than equal to n. Third equal to first plus second, condition becomes 2. It will enter third equal to first plus second. So what is the value of first? 1. Right. So what is the value of first? 1. And what is the value of second? It is 2. Right. So 1 plus 2 will be equal to 3. Print third. That is the value of third is 3. So it will print the value as 3. And next, first equal to second. So what is the value of second? It is 2. That means the first will become 2. And second equal to third. What is the value of third? 3. So that means the second value will be equal to 3. Next, I equal to I plus 1. So I value is now 5. So 5 plus 1. This will be equal to what? Equal to 6. Then again it checks the condition. While I is less than or equal to n. So here 6 less than or equal to 5. Condition becomes false. Hence it comes out of the while loop and it comes out of the else block. So it just displays these numbers 0, 1, 1, 2, 3 when you are given the value as 5. So just this is I have written for the purpose of explanation. This is not needed for the purpose of writing the program. So just I will delete this one. Again I will save the program by using shortcut key Ctrl S. Again I will run the program by using F5. So now I will give, so up to here, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So if I give the value as 9, it will be displaying up to 21. So that you can check. I will press F5. Right. So here I will give the value as 9. Press enter. So now you can observe here. Right. So what it is displaying? Up to 21. So this is the first number 0, second 1, again 1, that is the third, fourth is 2, fifth is 3, sixth is 5, seventh is 8, right, eighth is 13, and ninth is 21. So this will be generated according to this particular loop. Right, so this is an Python program to generate the Fibonacci series for a given number by using the while loop and by using the elif ladder. Okay, I think you have understood this particular program. Understand the concepts neatly and write down. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video link with your friends and family members, share the video link in various social networks which you are going to use. Gain the knowledge and rule the world. Happy learning.